Cook joins us now from Bell Direct in Sydney. He's got more details for us. Jeremy, a pretty quiet day in the local market. Run us through it.
Yeah, good afternoon, Richard. Yeah, well, we got off to a decent start. The All Ords was up around about 30 points early on in trading. I guess it was on the back of what we saw on Wall Street to finish the week last Friday with a 1% gain there. Although after the start, the local market pretty much flatlined for the rest of the afternoon, hovering between around about 10 and 20 points in positive territory. We ended up the day, the All Ords up around about 18 points. The major banks were mixed. ANZ was the best performer. It was up around about 1%. CBA and NAB were up around about 0.5%, although Westpac was the one that bucked the trend. It was down around about 1%. We did see a report that BHP and Rio Tinto were considering a tie-up of their Canadian diamond assets, I guess leading to some speculation that they may look to foster some further coordination down the track. We saw Rio share price up around about 2.3%. BHP finished today up 0.4%. Gold stocks performed quite well again today, obviously on the back of the stellar run that we're seeing on the gold price at the moment as it approaches the $1,000 US mark. We saw Newcrest up 2.3%. Lahia Gold up around about 0.7%. Qantas was trading lower today. It was down around about 0.4%. This is on the back of the federal government announcing that its entire travel budget, worth around about $500 million, was up for tender. Amongst the retailers, they were mostly in negative territory apart from JB Hi-Fi, which was up 0.3%. Wesfarmers was steady on the day. Woolies was down around about 46 cents, although it was trading ex a dividend of about 56 cents. It was another terrible day for Babcock and Brown Infrastructure today after its share price dropped around 22% on Friday. It did say that it was in discussions with investors to try and work out a solution to its large debt problem at the moment. It did request the ASX to have a trading halt, but that was rejected, and today its shares dropped a further 26%. We had some economic news released today. We heard that the construction sector activity fell for the 18th consecutive month, although the rate of decline there is starting to slow down. We also heard an ANZ survey with job ads increasing by over 4% last month, which was its first increase since 2008, and against a fall of around about 1.7% last month. So yeah, a pretty quiet day on the local market today, with the US closed for a Labor Day holiday in the overnight session. Expectations are for a pretty quiet day again tomorrow.
Okay, one stock that had a terrible day, Elders. It was actually the worst performer by percentage change, if I'm not wrong, today, off by around about 37%. Why?
Yeah, Elders came for its first trading day since August today and fell sharply on the open after announcing a loss of around $415 million in 2008-09 as opposed to its previous profit result of around a profit of around $36 million. It did come out to say that it was looking to raise $550 million through an issue of new shares, with these new shares being issued at 15 cents each, so quite a substantial discount to its last traded price of 39 cents. It did say that its lenders were happy with its, I guess, its plans for its debt restructuring, but it did say that as a result of that restructuring, they wouldn't be able to pay dividends till around 2012. Elders did say that it did expect a turnaround in its profit result in the near term, but the market overall wasn't happy with its performance. As you said, it finished today down 37%. At one point did reach a low of 21 cents, but closed the day down, finishing at 24.5 cents.
Okay, Jeremy, appreciate that. Talk to you soon.
Thanks, Richard.